Hey guys, Gareth here. I'm going to quickly show you a nice little pec stretch that you can do if you have a bench and a nice light weight. It's just one that you can actually relax into. It's passive, so there's no real effort put into it on your part. You just let the weight take the pec and pull it open. So you're going to start by lying down on the bench. Get your legs up on the bench, so get them in as far as your hamstring will allow. And from there, you're just going to have the weight, drop it down to the side and push it open. So let it pull the pec open there. To add a little bit more of a stretch, you're just going to swing your knees down a little bit. Let them drop and it'll pull it even more. You'll feel it nice in here. So just really let it pull open fully. And you'll see it just goes further and further the more you relax into it. And then bring it back up when you're done. As I say, it's just a basic little stretch to help open up that tight pec. You'll feel it as you stretch all in here. Now, if it is a bit too uncomfortable or you're putting a lot more effort into holding that weight out there, that means the weight's too heavy. Just drop the weight down. Go seriously light on this. I'm talking 2.5 kilos, that kind of thing initially. But give it a go and let me know what you think.